Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical illness is ailing us at an all-time high, all at age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But today, let's play career, cash, love, and health. In regards to asking Lord, God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, questions about your career, your cash, your finances, love, relationship, life, and your health. And they'll answer you in the form of a yes or no. So let's shuffle the deck together. Come on, tap that screen, tap that screen, tap that screen. Come on, Aquarius, did you tap the deck, tap the deck, tap the deck? All right, to my Aquarius, my air angels. You can't tell air where to go, where to flow. You guys are ready for another adventure around the world. And I thank you for being such a positive source. I want you to continue to be a calm breeze because your presence actually introduces you before you do verbally or physically. You could be anywhere in the world today, but you're spending time with me in the community, and I love you for that. All right, so Aquarius, do you have your questions regarding your career? Got that question together. How about your cash and your finances? How about your love and relationship life? You have that question together? And let's talk about your health. Get that health question together. All right, let's share your energy. Cut this deck together. Come on, Aquarius. Tap that screen, tap that screen, tap that screen. Aquarius, did you tap the deck, tap the deck, tap the deck? And we're gonna cut it up, cut it up, cut it up. All right, Aquarius, questions regarding your career. How about your cash and your finances? Let's head to your love and relationship life, and we'll end it off with your health. All right, to Aquarius, send your energy, send that energy. You have one arm available. Send that energy, and let's play career, cash, love, and health. In regard to your questions with your career, let's start off. Aquarius, we have yes, yes, okay, no, no, yes, yes, no. So in regards to your career, we do have a yes. You guys are in the right place, right time, right frequency. You are in alignment as we transition to this new season. So you're in the right place, right time. So I hope that makes your soul shine and your heart to glow. Let's talk about your finances and your cash. Cash and finances for Aquarius. We have no. We have a no. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes, so in regards of your cash and your finances, we have a no. It's not a hard no. It's just a not yet. I hope you're not shortchanging yourself to your worth. Understand that everything under the sun, everything in the world is yours once you claim it, once you believe it's yours, once you believe you're the king, the queen, and things are all yours because you have dominion down here. It comes your way. The moment that you second guess it and you wonder, well, do I deserve? That's when they float away from you. Once you claim it, things come your way. So welcome to halftime. Shout out to Marvin the Martian. We're in this world, not of this world. Let's check out your relationship and your love life. For my Aquarius, we have yes. Yes, all right. Yes. No. 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 Yeah, so in regards to your relationship and your love life, we have a yes. That means you carry a great frequency, not just for a loving frequency for yourself, but for those that are around you. You're a great source of love and source and strength for those that are around you. So continue to maintain that. Remember what you're doing so you can mimic that. As we always are transitioning, we're always learning, we're always evolving till we transition to the next level, to the next realm. So let's talk about your health. Health for my Aquarius. We have yes, no, yes, yes, no, no, yes. So in regards to your health, we do have a yes. You guys are taking care of your bodies, you're eating right, treating right. I need you guys on a massage bed twice a month. I need you to be on a chiropractic table twice a month. Take care of your body. You only have one. If you treat it like a machine, it shall break down as one. But it seems you're taking care of your mind, body, heart, mind, body, and spirit, which is what we need you to do. Remember, you have one body. Pamper it. Take care of it. Because if you feel better, you think better. Therefore, your life shall become better. All right. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you, and I love you. Thank you for playing Career, Cash, Love, and Health. I'll see you next time.